Hello and welcome to this CompSkill how-to video. Today I wanted to talk to you about a cell address and a cell reference. For those of us who use spreadsheets a lot, we often use those terms, cell name, cell address, cell reference, interchangeably. And those of you new to spreadsheeting, it may be a little confusing. So let's go back to the very beginning of spreadsheets. What a spreadsheet is as we can see, an empty grid. And it's made up of columns and rows. The columns have a letter telling you which column you're in. So the first column is A. If I go over here, I'm in column Q, and likewise. The rows are numbered, so 1 through to a very large number. The intersection of a row and a column is called a cell. So that's that little box that when we click in there we can see, we can type in their numbers, formulas, whatever we want. Each cell has a name, and that name is derived from the column and the row number. Now if we look up the top here, just above column A, we can see this little box here. This is what we call the name box. Now the name box holds the cell reference, or the name of the cell, or the cell address. So when we're in A1, we can see we're in A1. If I go down here, I can see I'm in E10. So that's simply the cell reference, and that's what we refer to when we talk about adding references and formulas. It's adding the name of the cell that contains a certain value that you want to contain. So really simple, easy to remember, and really useful. So that's all for today, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you.